What do animals like to eat? Let's go and see. Finding yummy treats for you and me. From the jungle to the zoo, every friend has something new. Let's find out what animals love to chew. Ellie the elephant. Ellie the elephant swings her trunk. She eats bananas with a happy thunk. Peel it, munch it, 1, 2, 3. Bananas are the best you see. Benny the bunny. Benny the bunny hops so fast. She carrots are gone so fast. Orange and yummy, good to chew. He eats them all, wouldn't you? Bella the bear by the river stays. Catching fish in clever ways. She eats them fresh and cold and nice. A fishy snack is her delight. Leo the lion lets out a roar. He likes meat and wants some more. With a chop and a chew so strong and bold, he's the king of the jungle, brave and gold. Molly the cow loves grass so green. Chewing slowly in the sunny scene. Moo moo munching all day long. Her grassy meals keep her strong. Max the monkey climbs so high. Grabs sweet mangoes from the sky. He peels and eats them with a cheer. More mangoes please, we hear. Zara the zebra loves hay so dry. Chews it slowly as birds fly by. She eats her food beneath the sun. Stripey and happy, having fun. Polly the parrot squawks with glee. She eats papayas from a tree. Juicy bites with color so bright. She munches all day and sings with delight. Timmy the turtle chews so slow. Lettuce is his favorite, just so you know. Crunchy greens on a plate so wide. He munches with a smile and a slide. Penny the penguin in the snow. Loves cold fish, go Penny go. She slides and waddles, takes a bite. Icy fish are her delight. Now we know what animals eat, hooray! They love their food in every way. Would you like a treat or two? What's your favorite snack to chew? Leo the lion lets animals eat, hooray! They love their food in every